Hello guys, welcome to Godzilla Bytes YouTube channel. I am your Ram that I am going to teach you about the Python code. Before that, I am going to teach you about what is actually the Python. I am using Wikipedia to give you information about Python. Just simply you know about the Python was an interpreted language which was also known as the object-oriented language. Goda Van Rossum who developed this language the name Python. You need to know basic information of the Python for your future purposes. So you must need to search like this basic information and grow your basic knowledge. Okay, he was the man who named Guido van Rossum who developed this Python language for this world. Okay, today you learned something from this. In the Python language, there was a statements like if statement, for statement, while statement, try statement, except rise statement, class statement, def statement, with statement, break statement, continue statement, del statement, pass statement, assert statement, yield statement, return statement, import and from statement. These statements are the important statement which was using in the Python coding. Okay, you just remember these names and we can use it future videos. Okay, tomorrow onwards I am going to teach you about the coding and its purposes step by step. Daily I will post two videos, one full video and short. You must not don't forget to watch. If you like this channel, please press the subscribe button and thumbs up for motivating me. Bye.